Hi, I'm Tom Aycock from Red Horse Performance. I'm here today to show you our double-ended wrench set. This is our double-ended aluminum wrench set. The nice thing about this is it does have all the sizes from -4 to -16. As you can see, the nice thing about our wrench is it's got the nice fat head on it. This reduces any kind of flex or spreading of the wrench where it would mar up the fitting or strip the fitting. Also too, you can see we have a 6, a 6S, a 10, a 10S. So what that means is your 6 actually fits the B nut, and your 6S actually fits the socket, because they are two different sizes. Most wrench sets, they include one size. You end up using a steel wrench on the other side, which you know is going to mar up the fitting itself.